Them are the best people. Big up yourself, bossy. Seven, 1 year actually. Big up the year one. Whole Moby, big up yourself, because Moby a year one there to people. See the people, so. Police there. What we want? Jayden! 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 People around for this. You want to know this stuff? Alex, from the class, I use the stuff. Which get that? No, but we search that already. We took it with everything already. Two of them. No, two of them are on there. One of them is one right there, so. But they just come and sorry about that. Yeah, we search at long time. Oh, we're going to be yeah, man, pick up my man. You search for the baby. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, so what we do now? Yeah. Come people. Jayden. Jesus Christ. Why you say that come for the journey?
We need to plan. We need to make people know when we are going to do it again right now.
Yeah.
See it so that people know when we are going to do it right now.
No, remember, so we don't tell them already.
We have a search tomorrow. We have a search tomorrow. Rain a go fall, storm a go blow. You can't wait till next week, nothing a go left. It's a little body. So by your quint, it a go depreciate out, it a go melt out. Tomorrow, see we on a strong. Don't wrong, come tomorrow, morning. We turn back in a Molands. We just come from Molands, you know. I would have Molands, I would just come through Spurtree. But the crowd there, we need to put on a water boot on a long pants and a machine.
Pay for the air.
Tomorrow.
So straight through.
10 o'clock, we are left for a right, that's it.
All right.
10
So see
o'clock.
people, so 10 o'clock tomorrow we're there again. Straight through people there. Yeah, man. Straight through the people. Tomorrow again. Yeah. Who will look for? 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 No people look here now. So Mega Man camera there. It'll look right over here, so power. See that the camera there look right over here, so power people. You know see it?
Yeah.
So Jayden come at the gate there, so. So anything pick him up at the gate there, so. I forget catch.
Get catch, right.
And then pick him up road there, so. Then what's I forget catch?
Get catch, right.
So people, Mega Man can solve the case.
Yes, can solve it, of course.
Maybe I say Mega Man.
Mega Man!
Look at the footage.
Mega
Mega Man.
Solve the case.
We'll go over there one more time. Come.
One more time.
Big up here, Chief Police.
One more time.
One more time, we'll go with the people. We'll go with Mega Man people. We'll show them the camera them. See the people, see the camera there? So Mega Man know who pick him up, who pick him up.
Yo.
See that, look over here, sir. Yeah.
Over there, I all abandoned to say you want to dream, see that visually.
We'll go over there. Tomorrow we'll go over there. Auntie. Yeah, man. See the name of mighty God, so the lady, Jayden. God, God, love him more. Big up my team. Man. Big up my team. One Jayden. One Jayden. A Jayden will for it now. Yeah. Yeah. I said, come on. So see the people, the camera them people, see the camera them there. So the camera them are search people. What Jayden? Big Save. What Jayden? Yeah. Yeah, man. And we show people. So the boss put on him car and come. Let them know how far you come from.
Straight out to Kingston.
See the people straight out to Kingston. Yes.
Yeah, man.
We look for Jayden. See how many look Nevia. Big up. Who you look for?
Jayden.
Yeah, man. See the people. See that Jayden come out right as a people. Right as a Jayden come out people. So the camera pick him up. See the camera the people. One camera. Yeah. Now let's go. So one more camera people. I will see the people. One more camera so people. So camera the all over Mega Mart people. I see camera there, sir. You talk to them, what them say?
Probably you can find the license plate if you can get the full seat.
All right. See people, and the baby them know what go on. All the baby them know that people. So our mega mark them. Where the investigating officer there. People like and share show. Tap on the screen, people. Tap on the screen. Oh, what? Nah, sleep. One Jayden. All right. Yeah, man. See the people? Camera again, people. I see the two camera up there, people. Just see people. Nothing can go on without Mega Mart, see people. Yeah. Baby, we're begging just tell the boss to run the footage for them and tell them 77-34594. Sir. Yeah, we don't want to get fire. Should we get fire? Ah, youth. Big boss. Yeah, man. Honorably, though. Yeah, man. See the people. Yeah, man. Boss, Scotia. I'm a PS people, big up Scotia and New Kingston. The best insurance people on my team. Boss, that's such a company. Big up Scotch Core people, the best insurance company. But they're going to forget Mega Man, so I want to put footage here. We can't get the footage on the camera. Yes, sir. I'm not doing it. No, Scotch Core's a different department. I'm my insurance, yeah, then keep the big road in the area where we go. So big up Scotch Core, team people. Yeah. Over! All right. We want. All right. So people sit there. So this is Mega Mart. We have been shopping in over here for a long time. So Mega Mart will beg on. Please work with it. They already know what we sent to the man. People, look what you say. Mega Mart! Who want the footage? Mega Mart! Who want the footage? Mega Mart! Who want the footage? Alright, you can't tell them here we know. Come. Yeah, man. Yes. Don't say nothing. No, man, I'm good, man. I feel them doing it. Can't lock it. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, here a tree. Yeah, man, big up me here a tree, police people. Yeah, man, see people. We got the police come out, people, so they can't say the police them are coming out. Or just the military them not come out, people. You don't know a different thing that people. That's and so we beg them sniffer dog. So big up the people from Kingston. Big up the people from Mandeville. See the people, camera again, people. See that, so there's no way. Nothing could have come here, so people wouldn't know what. Camera this again, people. Yeah, son. Yeah. And some camera ready upon them, the live post, but we don't know who take them off. So that no control by Andrew Wallace. So I must Andrew Wallace stick up camera for this. We walk go straight town, man. You walk through the town.
And I ain't nothing right now.
We walk through town, it just start. We walk through town. Yeah. Where it all start, thank God for the support to the people. You understand? See the people, I mean them numbers. See the boss of the people. Yeah, we chopper that people. Yeah, man. Big up a chopper. Serve! Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, people. Tomorrow again, people. We'll come out tomorrow. So people without you, whole week, people.
Yeah, you live in your place.
Yeah, don't get me live, people. Me camp out. Yeah, me camp out, people. Yeah, son.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. One Jayden, people. Serve. See there? Yeah. See the principal they know. People.
Nobody from the school.
Nobody
from the school come support the people.
See Big Manchester.
See the big Manchester school of people.
So everyone see them a big runner. And
See that?
Jayden for a ton, we want a ton.
See people, that's how Jayden come to Jayden will come through there, so people walk across here, so people going through, so people they'll come back there, so Jayden mother there. We'll go across over Jayden mother. See her there over the school? Yeah, Jayden mother over the school. Yeah, mother. Yeah. Yeah.
So you say, what do you think the whole situation look like in terms of the bigger head them not really put on no energy?
Yeah, this is an embarrassment, national embarrassment. We say we send for the Prime Minister office, we send for the opposition leader office, and nobody come out. We send for the principal for the school. The principal said they're busy with it.
You see no MP for you there?
No, we don't see the MP, just the Maroon government come out, the Maroon Emperor.
Okay.
Yes, son. So big up people who come out tens and thousands. Justin for Jayden will come out tomorrow again. And then Friday again we're going to have big giant marching people. So we'll come out in tens and thousands. What we want?
Justice.
What we want?
Justice.
For who?
Jayden.